Hey, what's up guys? Yes, today is a new video. So, we're reacting to Boogie Rainy Days featuring Eminem. This time, it's special because I'm watching a video and reacting to the video too. You guys won't be able to see it because it's not the final video of the entire reactions section of the folder. So yeah. So let's get into this. Okay. Man, these visuals are pretty nice. You guys won't really hear it since I don't own most of these. Just maybe closer.
I've been thugging through my rainy days, I ain't really trying to hang today. I need changes in a major way. I just pray I never fade away. Yo, oh man, yo, word to the title, so word to my idols and word to the ghosts. I ain't saying I like him, I kill all them niggas and wear him his coats. Word to the feelings I channel while losing as quick as a fucking remote. Don't be calling me woke. No, I cheat on my queen for a hoe. That's how she go. She keeps saying we jail. Hey, she gon' come out her shell. Whoa, ain't no pushing my buttons when all of my feelings is stuck on a well. Yeah, bitch, I'm thirsty and blessed. Hey, I put liquor in grills. Whoa,
this hook is a good hook. I like this hook.
My niggas in jail, wrestling L's. That's the hell in the cell. I come from a place where the shit can get shady. My chances was
Ooh, that's good. That's pretty good. Whoa. That's nice.
all my women was basic. We see different races. It's sounding them. I can't send out no message to none of my exes and bitches as friends. I can't blow it again. Need a bitch that's as thick as my skin. Shit, cause I've been thugging through my rainy days.
I'm excited to get to Eminem's part. I listened to this song before. It's pretty good. This is the first time I'm watching the music video. But this is good.
I ain't really trying to hang today. I need changes in a major way. I just pray I never fade away.
I left my legacy hurt. Fucking absurd. Like a shepherd having sex with his sheep.
Oof.
Fuck what you heard.
It's like the old Slim Shady's back. Or is he really back? Who knows? Let's get to it.
All this talk in my ear. I got an idea. Like the clerk when you're trying to buy beer. Since on the mic I'm a nightmare. Fuck it, I thought this might be a good time to put woke me to rockabye. I got the bottle of NyQuil right here. You want the sleep me to wake. You want Slim Shady EP this on a CD. Carve a sock in my mirror. I promise not to cry crocodile tears. If you end up shocked at my lyrics. Marshall is dead in the water, but not that I care. Dre said rock the boat and the dock is my peer.
This is something this is way better than the entire Revival album. Oh yeah, we're gonna get to those songs pretty soon. So let's get back into this.
So it's unanimous, you're at attention. The planets listen and their banana splits again, which has its advantages. But when you got nothing to say except for the hand you dick is in, and if your plans are sticking, and Jan is sticking to the mats, and if it's massive is kicking in, it's having you panic stricken, you're tripping off a tryptophan, and switch.
Sorry guys.
Asking to autograph and pictured and ripped it in half and whipped it at him and kicked his ass all the way back to Michigan. But no matter how many rounds or if I get knocked down and about, fell to the ground, I got a fighter's mentality. I'll get back up and fight with it. In fact, I'm attacking the mic with it. I'll make it sound like a vampire's fighting, but I'd have to be Dracula.
Oh yeah, there's a theory I want to get into about this song, but that'd be a very special video. On old camera over there. The camera over there. That'd be a good video to make. The ad-libs are out of control. Holy cow.
Showers, fucking out. Plug it out.
I've been thugging through my rainy.
Oof, that's a good verse. That is a good one. You guys could see. This is the video. It's not high definition quality because I can't. New export things, it won't come in like very high quality. And this is a Friday video. It's gonna be
I ain't
long.
really trying to hang today.
Sorry guys.
I need changes in a major way.
Oof. In the video, the walls are bleeding.
I just pray I never. I've been thugging through my rainy days. Today. I ain't really trying to hang today. I need changes in a major way. I just pray I never fade away.
That was a good song. That's a really good song. Hope you guys enjoy. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. My friend's link is going to be in the description below. Go subscribe to him. See you guys next time. Peace.